We are using 3 strands of brown floss for this stitch. Start by bringing your needle up at the beginning of the stem, then poke it back into the fabric a short distance ahead. Now bring your needle up again a little farther from the first stitch and bring the needle back into the middle of that first stitch that you just made. Can you see? Just poke it in the middle. Now I'm just poking the needle into the middle of the first stitch. So this is the basic idea of a stem stitch. Now we are just going to repeat this process. Come up a bit away from the last stitch and poke the needle back into the middle of the last stitch that you just made. It's super easy, right? Stem stitch is a fun stitch. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Stems don't need to be. You can even experiment by leaving bigger gaps between stitches if you want a more relaxed look. Now I'm just repeating the process of piercing the needle little away from the last stitch, then poking it back into the last stitch that you made, that is in the middle of the last stitch. So you can see this is giving a bulged stem effect for the stitches that you just made. So once you're done with the stitches, you can secure the thread just like we did earlier. So now it's done. I'm going to secure the thread. It's the same method. Pass the needle under a stitch, pull it partway through to make a loop, then bring the needle into the loop and pull tight to make a knot, and snip off the extra floss, and that's it. Now you have stitched yourself a stem.